Hello friends, I'm out and about and I found a huge, enormous cottonwood tree. And I don't know whether you can see this, but it is huge. Look at this trunk. It's just like, I know you just see trunk now, but look at this beauty. And you know what I love about cottonwood trees? It's the noise, the sound they make. When you listen close to the leaves, they have this beautiful, almost like a silvery rattling sound, like gentle, silvery. And you know, they are like hearts, shaped like hearts. And I love this tree so much. So I had to quickly, whoa, look at this. Can you see this? Listen. And as I said this, they were just rattling so that you don't hear mostly the cars that are driving past. I love it so much. I love nature. I love everything about this planet. So I'm at the Albright Gardens in Madison, which is an amazing place. So I took tons of pictures. I did some sketches, and I wonder what paintings will come out of this. La-di-la. What workshops will come out of this. Da-di-da. So stay tuned. Would you love to paint with me? How would that be? Imagine. You can just paint, paint, paint. All right, I let you go. Bye, friends. Have a beautiful day of creation and joy, and laugh with the leaves and the wind and the airplanes. Bye.